Open the protective cover and place dry and flat leaves. Press one end of the leaf with an object. Prevent deviation or warping during the carving process. Close the protective cover and press the power button briefly. Open the WLAN settings and find the Wi-Fi Wainlux K10. Enter the default password 12345678 and click Connect. Open the software, click Connection, and 192.168.0.1 will appear by default. If not, enter it, click Connect. Click Back, click Controller Middle and 10mm, and Control the virtual keyboard, move the laser roughly above the leaves. Put down the focusing needle, loosen the handle screw. When the focusing needle touches a leaf, tighten the handle screw, retract the focusing needle. Click on Home to return the laser to the carving origin. This step is crucial. Click Back, click Start Your Creation and click on the image icon to load an image. Crop the image and click Confirm after completion. Click Next, click Mode and select Grayscale, click Image Transform, click Negative Mirror, and click Next. Move the image with one finger, and zoom it with 2 fingers. Here, the height is set to 78 mm, X is set to 1, Y is set to 1, which means the starting point of the lower left corner of the image is at a distance from the origin, 1, 1. Click Preview to see if the position of the rectangle drawn by the machine is correct. You can adjust the X and Y values multiple times and click Preview to locate the best position. Click Parameter and set Speed to 5000. Time to 1, Power 70, Spacing 0.1, Overscan 1. Click Engrave and wait for the upload to complete before the machine starts engraving.